Hi there! We're back with another VIVE education video. In this video, we're going to show you how to take screenshots and record video of what you see in VR. Let's get started.
Taking screenshots and recording video with VIVE Focus 3. With your VIVE Focus 3 headset, you can take screenshots and record video of what you see in VR. To take a screenshot, press the Vive and trigger buttons on the right controller. To record video, press the headset and volume up buttons on the headset. Press the buttons again to stop recording. You can also take screenshots or record video with a short time delay. First, press the Vive button on the right controller. On the panel that opens, select the Screenshot button to take a screenshot, or select the Start Recording button to record video. To stop recording, press the Vive button again, point to the Record button, and then select Stop Recording. You can also transfer screenshots and videos from the headset to your computer. Here's how. Connect the headset to your computer using the USB Type-C port on the right side of the headset. In the Choose USB Mode dialog box, select File Transfer. Take off your headset, then open a file management application on your computer and find VIVE Focus 3. Open Internal Shared Storage. You'll find screenshots and video recordings in the Pictures and Movies folders. Select the files and then copy them to your computer.
Hi again, thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested in learning more about VIVE Focus 3 or other VIVE products, make sure to check out the other videos in this channel. I'll see you next time.